In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Notion page. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to streamline your workflow, understanding how to unlock a page is a crucial skill for efficient collaboration and personal management. Notion has become one of the most versatile productivity apps, and knowing how to effectively manage access to your pages can make all the difference. Let's dive right into the process. First, ensure you're logged into your Notion account and navigate to the page you want to unlock. This is usually part of your workspace, whether it's for personal use or a collaborative effort with your team. Once you're on the desired page, your next point of focus should be the lock icon. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Hover over that area and you'll notice a prompt that reads "Unlocked" or "Locked," indicating the current status of the page. When you're ready to make changes, click on this icon. This action will open a small drop-down menu providing you with a couple of options. You'll see choices to either unlock for me or unlock for everyone. So what do these mean exactly? Let's break them down. If you select unlock for me, it grants just you the access to make edits and changes to the page, while everyone else continues to see a read-only version. This is particularly useful if you're in a workspace with multiple contributors, but you need exclusive editing rights temporarily to make some updates or test changes before rolling them out. On the other hand, choosing Unlock for Everyone opens up the editing permissions to anyone who has access to the page. This is more fitting for pages that are meant for collaborative efforts, where team members need to contribute or update information in real time. Think of team project notes, shared resource libraries, or any type of document that's in constant need of input from different contributors. It's important to be mindful of these settings to maintain a smooth workflow. Keeping everyone informed and on the same page makes a significant impact, especially when coordination and collaboration are involved. If you're working within a team, it might help to communicate your intentions when unlocking pages for everyone, so others know changes can be made freely. And there you have it, a simple yet essential tool for enhancing your Notion experience. By following these steps, you can easily control who has editing access to your pages, helping you manage your tasks effectively while maintaining your workspace's integrity and organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you get the most out of your Notion setup. Feel free to drop any comments or questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing productivity tools.